What the hell are you talking about? No. That is just an urban legend. Yes, I heard about it. Yes, I know. Don't listen to the snoring of a stranger. I know when you hear the snore on Skype, you just have 1 week to live. Oh my gosh, it's been a week already and I'm still fine, so who cares? Anyway, I need to hang up now. It's time to go home. Oh my god, did you hear that? Stop it, you fucking idiot. I knew it was you. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Stupid story. I hate those stories. Oh my god, what was that? It can't be real. I hope you liked the trailer for Don't Listen to the Snoring of a Stranger. Yeah guys, it's me and I'm doing an escalator vlog. Actually it's a public space vlog. As far as you all know, I rolled the dice and I got the 4 and now this is my punishment. I'm supposed to do a vlog within the open, so this is my choice. Here I am and look around me. And there are actually people around me, so I really had an awesome week. I actually, how to explain that? It's something I would like to talk about. I just can't right now because because I'm not supposed to tell anyone just now. So my closest friends know about this, and my family knows about this. Even some of my colleagues know about this, and well, we will see how that goes. I'm still having a bad cold and I actually don't want to do this, but here I am, look at me, I'm doing it. And it's so funny, because I don't really like to be here. I don't really like this place. It's actually the biggest shopping center built in Frankfurt, and they had the grand opening this year. And to be quite frank, it's the biggest failure in architecture. I don't know, the architect had no idea what he was doing while he was building this thing. Or actually, while he was planning it. One of my friends was, or actually is, a student of him.